Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Lorenko here. We're going to do a little recorder today, and I would like to start with the basics. I know you know the basics, but I'm going to review them. First of all, your recorder, make sure that it's not twisted. Untwist it so that's lined up. And remember, left hand goes on top. I'm going to try to flip this video so that you can see me as if in a mirror. So left hand, this is an L. So that means it's my left hand. I'm going to put my thumb on the thumb hole in the back and fingers 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And I am not using claws. I'm using flat, fat fingers. My other hand, I'm not going to use my other hand today, but that doesn't mean that we can play this instrument with one hand. We don't hold it up here. We don't hold it down here. We don't hold it down here. We have to hold our thumb right in the middle of the back of the instrument. If you have 1, 2, 3, then number 4 with the right hand, just put your thumb behind number 4 so that you're ready to add your other fingers another time. So right now I'm going to keep my thumb there and my fingers should be ready to play, but I'm not going to play them today. I'm going to tuck them behind and I'm going to put it in chin position. And now I'm ready to play a note. I'm going to start by blowing soft and warm so I don't get a squeak. I'm going to start on B or 1. My tongue is going da, 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 da. I'm not going that just would sound terrible and you'd faint. I'll try number 2, that's A. And number 3, that's G. Now I've got all my notes for hot cross buns, and I know you're experts at hot cross buns. So we're just gonna play it. Let's perfect it. I'm gonna add some music to it, and I also have a little songwriting challenge for you that I added to this newsletter, and I'd like you to try and challenge yourself by rewriting the words of hot cross buns and making it more fun. Here we go. Oh, it's fun to play with music. It makes it sound so full. So I'm going to try it again, but this time I'm going to sing the words to my song that I wrote down for you on that worksheet. I'm going to play one verse, and then I'm going to sing one verse, and then I'll play again. We do this in the classroom all the time to make it longer and give it a pattern. So this will be A, B, A. Play, sing, play. Easy enough. Let's give it a try. Soft and fluffy, cute and cuddly, I love dogs. I want you to have a try. I'm going to send you the link and you practice along with this beautiful piece of music. They play it 3 times with a teeny little introduction. We're playing him to sleep.